Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate these cute Gudetama nails. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer white. Use a yellowy orange to make a semicircle near your cuticle. Outline the shape in black. Use black to make a large oval for the mouth and then two smaller ovals for the eyes. Fill the mouth in with white. Add a white highlight above the left eye and then seal it in with a top coat. For the second version of Gudetama, make the mouth and eyes the same way, but add an arm underneath the mouth and another one to the right of it. Fill the mouth in with white and then add a highlight between the eyes. Finally, finish off by writing meh above Gudetama. The first time I painted this design, I used orange for the words, but I used black here for the video so that it was easier to see. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!